The best a dog can get. Here at the WoofWorks, we love dogs. We love them for their individual comedic characters, energy, loyalty, trust, quirkiness, friendship, love, and much, much more. Our mission is to help create a nation of happy and healthy dogs, and as such, it's really important to us that we bring you and your pooch the very best the world has to offer. Not just products, but tips, ideas, resources, and guidance. Everything that you'll need to help your furry friend live a longer, happier, and healthier life. We want to help dogs play harder, sleep deeper, and wag their tails like there is no tomorrow. Because we believe dogs should be fueled by the very best food, we've carefully selected a range of high-quality foods that provide different health benefits, including promoting energy and vitality, aiding and soothing digestion, promoting strong and healthy bones and teeth, helping to make coat shiny and skin healthy, and helping to look after joints and hips. Because we want to make life a little easier for you, we review, select, and quality check the very best products, including soft toys and beds that have been crafted to ensure dog years of use and are machine washable, bowls which look great in the home and are dishwasher safe, highly functional and long-lasting walking accessories, interactive toys that your dog will go crazy for and will keep them entertained for hours. Because we know how sensitive and delicate your dog's skin and coat is, we've carefully chosen grooming products which are gentle on your dog's skin and your hands, are 100% natural, no nasty chemicals, which can cause dryness, itchiness, and rashes, have been included, are formulated with special blends of pure essential oils to leave your dog's coat deliciously scented. Join our happy and healthy doggy community now by popping your name and email address into the sign-up form on this page below, and we'll send you useful tips and advice to help keep your dogs happy and healthy, our latest special offers, deals, and giveaways, details about our new product arrivals. We hope that you find the information useful and both you and your dog love our products. Contact us today at www.thewoofworks.co.uk or connect with us on Facebook or Twitter.